Here is the step-by-step process of how olives are transformed into the oil we love. Step 1. Harvesting the olives. This first step is crucial for oil quality. Olives must be picked at the optimal stage of ripeness, which affects flavor and bitterness, and processed quickly to prevent bruising, fermentation, or oxidation. Timing. Harvesting usually occurs in the late fall and early winter. Green, younger olives yield a more peppery, robust oil, while riper, darker olives yield a milder, fruitier oil. Methods: manual, traditional, hand-picking or using handheld rakes, barreo, to gently detach the olives onto nets laid on the ground. This minimizes damage. Mechanical, modern, using trunk or branch shakers to vibrate the fruit loose onto nets or collecting canvases. Step 2. Transport and reception at the mill. Speed is key. Olives must be transported to the mill and processed within 24-48 hours of being picked to ensure the highest quality. Transport. Olives are carried in small ventilated crates or bins, not in large deep piles, to prevent crushing and heating, which can start fermentation. Reception. Upon arrival, the olives are weighed and visually inspected for quality. Step 3. Cleaning, washing, and deleafing. The olives are cleaned to remove impurities that would negatively affect the oil's flavor and longevity. Deleafing. Air blowers or screen separate leaves, twigs, and small branches. Washing. The olives are gently washed with cold, clean water to remove dirt, dust, and any residue. Step 4. Crushing, milling. The whole olive, pulp, pit, and skin is ground into a smooth, thick olive paste. This breaks the fruit's cell walls, allowing the oil to be released. Traditional, large, slow-moving granite millstones crush the olives. Modern, high-speed hammer mills or stainless steel crushers are used, which are faster and minimize oxidation. Step 5. Malaxation, kneading, mixing. The olive paste is then slowly and gently stirred in large temperature-controlled vats, a process called malaxation. Purpose: this critical step allows tiny oil droplets released during crushing to coalesce, clump together, into larger drops, making separation easier. Temperature control. The temperature is strictly monitored and kept below a certain threshold, typically 27 degrees or 86 degrees F, to qualify as cold extracted or cold pressed, which preserves the delicate flavors, aromas, and health-boosting polyphenols. Step 6. Oil separation, extraction. The vegetable oil and water must now be separated from the solid olive paste, known as pomace. Modern method, centrifugation. This is the most common and efficient method today. The paste is spun rapidly in a horizontal decanter centrifuge. Centrifugal force separates the heavier solids and vegetable water from the lighter oil. Traditional method, pressing. The paste is spread onto woven mats, stacked and pressed using extreme pressure. The resulting liquid, oil and water mix, is then separated by gravity or a second centrifuge. Step 7. Final separation and decanting. The liquid collected from the primary centrifuge is usually spun in a second, high-speed vertical centrifuge to remove any remaining water and microscopic solid particles. Decanting, racking. The oil is often allowed to sit in stainless steel tanks for a period, where any final sediment sinks to the bottom by gravity. This process is called racking and results in a clearer oil. Step 8. Storage and bottling. The finished olive oil is now ready for storage and eventual distribution. Storage. The oil is stored in airtight, dark stainless steel tanks under a blanket of inert gas, like nitrogen, to protect it from its three enemies: light, heat, and oxygen. Quality check. Samples are analyzed for chemical parameters, like acidity, and tasted by a panel to confirm they meet the standards for a specific grade, such as extra virgin olive oil. Bottling. Finally, the oil is poured into dark glass bottles or opaque tins to protect it from light, preserving its fresh quality until it reaches the consumer.